Hey crypto family, I'm back. This has been a while. Welcome to Moon Mission, where our journey is to go to the moon and beyond. In today's episode, I'll give you a preview of the long-awaited, highly requested Token Metrics version 2. And this essentially is the new and improved Token Metrics, right? So we have Token Metrics, we have on-chain data, we have sentiment analysis, we have dark mode, white mode, we have Token Metrics TV, and we have even more things coming. So first thing first, most trending tokens. So as soon as you log in, we'll show you what tokens are trending. Now, when you notice here, we have categories, something lots of our customers asked for. So now you can skip straight to the categories of the tokens you want to follow. We now also have conversions. Then we have a nice simple candlestick chart for you to go through and see how that's doing. We have the ROI for different time frames. And we have the TM grade. And then as usual, we have news and other items here. And let's go to price predictions. We have added scenario analysis. We have automated this for thousands of tokens in our platform. Now let's go to technical analysis. We have the visual trends indicator. And then down here, we have resistance and support levels. To make it a lot easier, we have correlation for just the top 100 market cap. We've changed the user interface for indices to make this a lot simpler. They can have 5 tokens as opposed to having 10. Then down here, we have a breakdown of the holdings. Down here, we have the last index transactions, so you can keep a log and see the moves it's making all the way down here. Let's go to sentiment analysis. And the way this works is we have access to Twitter's API, and we have Reddit API information and Telegram data. We get all that data every single day. And then we have our machine learning model analyze that and try to see if there's any alpha in that, any insights. And then we also have on-chain data. So we have data for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and stablecoins. So now let's go to portfolio, right? So this is the overview page. It shows your portfolio. You can come here, see what you're tracking, see the ROI, amount invested, all that good stuff. And now you can also go through and add tokens in your portfolio directly from an exchange. You won't have to go through and manually add tokens anymore. Now we have integration, and then as usual, portfolio allocation. Then we also have the watch list. So being able to add tokens you want to follow, that's available here, right? People have been giving us such amazing feedback. Thank you, everybody. I mean, last week, our NPS score, our net promoter score was a 50, a 50. That's better than Google and Amazon. Right, so we know that people are enjoying the product, making money with it, and we want to make sure this product gets better and better for you. So looking forward to the insights, to the feedback from all of you. And as we like to say, the moon is not the limit, to the moon and beyond. Thank you.